Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a TickPick account from your mobile device? This is the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open your app store and go to the search bar and search for TickPick, just like that. Once you've done that, all you need to do is just tap on this application. Make sure that you download and install it onto your device, and now simply go ahead and tap on open. Once you've done that, simply click on allow and now tap on I am new here. Now once you do that, you can either go ahead and sign up with your Apple ID, your Google or Gmail, or you can simply go ahead and enter your email down here and click enter your password down here and click on sign up with email. Once you do that, it's going to send you a verification code to your email that you'll have to enter it back onto the application, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and